Welcome to another JeaKen video. But before we get started, take a minute to subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Ayurvedic inspired skin care routines. Ayurveda breaks itself up into three main doshas to properly treat and guide each individual. Some practitioners have one main dosha that they should focus on, others might have two. Though rare, tridoshic individuals would have to focus on all of the doshas equally. Depending upon your constitution, your path of treatment and chosen rituals, herbal remedies, and lifestyle routine will vary. You might have Pitta symptoms relating to your digestive tract. But, typical Pitta symptoms do not match up with your skin type, condition, or irritation. What does this mean? Well, your skin might connect to a different dosha imbalance. Don't fret if you see yourself in more than one dosha, they exist within all of us to some extent. Dosha imbalances and symptoms show up differently seasonally, daily, and even hourly. Pitta. Element. Fire. Symptoms of a Pitta imbalance. 1. Inflammation. 2. Acne. 3. Rashes. 4. Warm to the touch. 5. Freckles and moles appear more readily. Those with a Pitta imbalance should seek cooling methods to combat the fiery essence of their dosha. To do so, a few potentially beneficial methods are detailed below. Pacifying methods. 1. Drink cool glasses of water for hydration. 2. Avoid putting spicy, heated foods on your plate. 3. Use natural beauty and skincare products, synthetics are especially harsh on Pitta skin. 4. Utilize fennel and licorice in your cooking. 5. Mind your sun exposure and take proper care. Vata. Elements. Air and water. Symptoms of a Vata imbalance. 1. Dryness. 2. Thin. 3. Cool to the touch. 4. Sensitive to wind. Vata skin types should place an emphasis on warming methods. Dry skin craves hydration and warmth, especially during the cooler months of the year. Test some of the ways below. Are you enjoying this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps our channel a lot. Pacifying methods. 1. Eat green leafy vegetables, organic milk, and whole grains. 2. Drink lukewarm water for hydration. 3. Fill your plate with sweet fruits. 4. Try some olive oil and ghee, clarified butter. 5. Indulge in a warm self-massage, also known as abhyanga, using slightly warmed oils. Kapha. Elements. Earth, and water. Symptoms of a Kapha imbalance. 1. Dewy, glowing skin. 2. Excess oils or grease. 3. Thick. 4. Less sensitive to the sun than other doshas. The main focus in maintaining healthy Kapha skin relates to consistent exfoliation. Exfoliation aids in circulation and detoxification. Few other methods are detailed. Pacifying methods. 1. Lessen your intake of sweets and fried foods. 2. Exercise daily. 3. Dry brush to improve circulation. 4. Fill your plate with vegetables and fruits. 5. Wash your face twice daily. 6. Exfoliate once per week. 7. Cook with ginger and black pepper. Combination skin. Vata Pitta skin exists as one mix. This skin type would be dry and sensitive. Kapha Pitta, on the other hand, might be oily and a bit thicker, though still reasonably sensitive. Vata Kapha would be a blend of air and earth elements, with air elements a bit heightened. How can you calm and soothe skin while honoring both doshas? The seasons come into play here. Each dosha aligns with a specific phase of the seasonal year. Most potent in late autumn into mid-winter, Vata rules these months. If you have combination skin with Vata in the mix, focus on Vata pacifying methods during the colder months. Kapha reigns during late winter into late spring, when the earth is warming and muddy. So, if Kapha is at all in your makeup, focus on Kapha pacifying methods as the days begin to warm. Pitta and its fiery essence take over during summer. On the hottest days of the year, pacify Pitta if it's in your makeup. Cultivating your routine. Ayurvedic rituals might not look exactly like the usual multi-step skincare routine you're accustomed to. Ayurveda's foundation of interconnectedness means everything is considered skincare. The food you consume, the time you go to bed, and the activities you partake are as important as the facial cleanser and moisturizer you use. Consider how all you do contributes to the glow of your skin. What changes could you make beyond a new skincare brand that might benefit your skin? If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.